Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on HUAWEI MediaPad M5 Lite. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings or any app that allows you to scroll down. Now make sure that you're on top of the page and then click on the power key right here and volume down key. Next to it, to take the screenshot. Now we can scroll down this pop-up and it should begin scrolling down entire page, but for that we would need to actually put our tablet in different view. So let's try that. Rotate the screen. And now again, let's try to take a full page screenshot. And it did the scroll page, but let's remove that screenshot because I want to show you. Okay, the entire application crashed, but it made the scroll shot part of the right side of the screen. So that is how you make the full page screenshot on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.